Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set your baby G-Watch. First, press the Mode button to navigate through the various functions. To begin setting the time, hold down the Adjust button for a few seconds until the city code starts flashing. Use the Search or /Reverse buttons to select your desired home city. Then, press Mode to move to the hour and minute settings, adjusting them as needed. Once your basic time is set, press the Mode button to advance to the date settings. You will see the month flashing first. Use the Search or /Reverse buttons to select the correct month. Press Mode again to move to the day of the month and adjust it accordingly. Finally, set the current year using the same simple adjustment method. Your baby G-Watch also features handy alarm and stopwatch functions. To set an alarm, press the Mode button until you reach the alarm screen. Hold down Adjust to enter the setting mode, then use the Search buttons to set your desired alarm time. To use the stopwatch, simply press Mode until the stopwatch display appears, then use the Start and Stop buttons. For travelers, the World Time feature is incredibly useful. Press Mode to enter World Time, then use the Search buttons to select a different city code and instantly see its local time. Additionally, to see the time in low-light conditions, simply press the dedicated light button to illuminate the display. Certain models even include an auto light feature, which activates the backlight with a wrist tilt.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.